Introducing the Kidsmate 3-in-1 Foldable Table Tennis, a versatile and compact entertainment solution designed for modern play. In this video, we will guide you through the complete unboxing experience, demonstrate a quick, tool-free assembly process, and highlight the versatile features. Let's dive into the unboxing. Right from the start, you will notice that the folded table and all its included accessories are neatly packed. Now, let's check out the accessories. You get 2 high-quality table tennis paddles, a sturdy net, colorful Ludo tokens and dice, bright ping pong balls, easy-to-attach legs, a whiteboard marker with a mini duster and 2 small net posts. It is a complete entertainment package right out of the box. Let's unfold the magic. The table opens up effortlessly. On one side, you have a sleek black table tennis surface with vibrant red lines. But flip it over and you get a classic Ludo board for family game night alongside a creative whiteboard space perfect for learning. Assembly is an absolute breeze. Align the durable table legs with the bright orange corner brackets, then push them securely into place. No tools, no hassle. Once all the legs are attached, flip the table over onto its feet. Setting up for a match is just as easy. Pop the net posts into the connection slots on both sides. For the final step, slide the net right on. Pull it down evenly on both sides. Lastly, grab your paddle, serve the ball, and let the games begin. Whether it's a ping pong rally, a strategic game of Ludo, or creative drawing time, the Kidsmate 3-in-1 Foldable Table Tennis delivers hours of endless fun. Let's check the standout features of the Kidsmate 3-in-1 Foldable Table Tennis. 3-in-1 multi-functionality. This isn't just a ping pong table. The reversible tabletop seamlessly transitions between a table tennis surface for active physical play, a classic Ludo board for strategic family fun, and a whiteboard for drawing, studying, or keeping score. Designed with modern homes in mind, the tabletop folds neatly in half. It is incredibly easy to store under a bed or tuck into a closet. The height and overall dimensions are specifically tailored for children. This ensures kids can play, draw, and roll dice comfortably without having to overreach or strain. The Kidsmate 3-in-1 Foldable Table Tennis is engineered for endless fun and maximum convenience.